Guys, MrAlanC checking out the UGREEN 9-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter right here. Look at the packaging. We see that it has 4K 60 Hz for the HDMI, 100 watt fast charging, and 10 Gbps high-speed data. The dual screen is important for you, so I unplugged my PS5 and plugged the UGREEN in and plugged that into my computer. And there you can see it up there on my ginormous TV. The dual screen. So pretty cool, right guys? Guys, here we see my laptop. Let's say I gotta get an extremely important photo off this camera, which I actually do. You'll see it in a minute. But all I got over here is a Type-C port. Well, I can plug this little guy in here. Oh, I'll take the cap off it quick. Plug it in. And now I have all of these. I have 3 USB ports, a Type-C port. We have another Type-C port, an HDMI port, a micro SD card slot, and a large SD card slot. So now I can finally access my micro SD, which has my extremely important photo on it, which you guys will get to see in a minute here. So we'll stick that in the UGREEN device. It pops up. We'll hit OK, open folder. Here it is. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this moment. And this is the one right here. Oh, I knew we would access this extremely important photo. So there we did it, thanks to UGREEN. So I'm going to pop this SD card out of here. Of course, you can use multiple ports at once, but I'm just going to put this back in the camera, and that's going to allow me to demonstrate additional functionality of this device. So if we go here, we'll take a USB cord to Type-C, and we're going to just plug it in one of its mini USB ports right here, and we will plug this other end, because it charges by Type-C. Has a rechargeable battery. So I plugged it in, and this has fast charging capabilities, this unit. So this is now plugged in and charging the camera. Not only that, but I can also transfer data directly from the camera through the USB port, utilizing that USB port right here, getting the files directly off it through that USB to Type-C cord. So there's those files again. That's on the SD card that was in there. It's back in there, and now we're transferring it through this cable. So we got a view of all those pictures again. I know you missed this picture. So yes, the USB ports are working. The micro SD slot's working. All this stuff works, obviously. I'm just trying to demonstrate it for you. This is UGREEN, folks. If you hook up a monitor with this HDMI out, you can do dual screen, and that's going to allow 4K 60 Hertz. So quite the device. Thanks for checking it out with me, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.